How to stop Telegram from saving photos on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and tap Data and Storage. Under the Save to Photos section, you'll find options for different types of chats, such as private chats, groups, and channels. Tap the option you want to change. Now, turn off the toggle of Save to Photos, or even videos if you like. You can repeat these steps for private chats, groups, and channels if you don't want photos from any of them to be saved automatically. After turning this off, photos you receive on Telegram will no longer be automatically saved to your iPhone's Photos app. Keep in mind that this does not prevent Telegram from downloading or displaying photos inside the Telegram app. It only stops them from being automatically saved to your Photos library. And that's how you can stop Telegram from saving photos on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.